So after 2 days of looking for MP-133 shotguns, I spawned into customs as my scav to try my luck at getting a machine key for Propor's pocket watch quest, and find the last required MP-133 shotgun for his first quest. Turns out that sometimes you catch a break and spawn in the building the item you are searching for is in. Easy machine key find. Let's hope I don't run into any players. There it was. The item I spent days looking for. The MP-133 shotgun. I couldn't believe my luck at this point. I now had both items that I came in for. Sorry, had to do it, Scav Boy. It had to be done. Like, I've been trying to get this mission done forever. I almost looted that body that was on the ground, but I was like, fuck that, dude. I've been trying to get this mission for a million years. Jesus, finally, dude, finally. So after a few raids of getting head eyes, Nikolai found the office key for Big Red. Nikolai also needed scav kills, so I loaded back in to get greasy and find Propor's documents. Here's how it went. There's a scav down here, I can hear him.
Oh, he got me, wow.
Fuck. I didn't step in and help because Nikolai needed the scav kills, so I stood aside, and unfortunately, that's just the way she goes sometimes.
I'm not even sure if it was the guy that I was looking at.
Did you get insurance?
Nah.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't give a shit about any of these items.
You want me to grab your PP-19 for you?
If you want, I don't give a shit. I don't have any emotional attachment to it.
That's good. That's a good way to start this game, dude. For sure. There is some dude over here that is absolutely blasting. Trying really hard not to get smoked. Oh my god. That was rough, dude. So after another try, I was able to get the documents from customs and headed into factory for the drop-off. I spawned right next to my extract in the drop-off location. Sometimes you just get lucky. Hell yeah, dude. First time in. It's amazing. Can't fucking believe it. See how this goes. There's my first tanker. And I'm right next to Big Red, so I can probably be the first one there. So at this point I started my next quest for Prapor to put tracking devices on fuel tanks and customs. I was pretty intimidated as I needed to visit 4 areas of the map with high player activity, and I only brought my shotgun. Holy fuck, dude, I don't know how I didn't hear that guy.
Вот он!
Let's hope no one shows up in the next 10 seconds and fucking smokes me. There's fucking sniper scav on the roof. Holy fuck. Next one is gas station. We're going this way to gas station. I knew he was gonna fucking shoot at me. Let's fucking get it, dude. Hell yeah. Okay, we need one more. Just got good ammo in here. It's definitely what I'll be using. I was one fuel tanker away from completion. I was so surprised I'd even made it this far. Sometimes you just are blessed by Lord Nikita and the Tarkov gods. My water and my food is looking okay. Should be able to extract. Maybe I'm lucky and old gas station is going to be an extraction point. Maybe I'm lucky and there's no scavs here. This is the last. Oh my god, it's active. We got a scav here, or 2. One's down. Come on, baby. Smoked both of them. They got nothing that I want. Search the pockets. Holy fuck. Okay. Eek. Holy shit. I think I made it. Someone was shooting at me right at the last second. Suck it, nerd. We fucking out of here. Another successful raid. Good shit.